So this is the second part of how to generate profitable offer ideas tactics, reinventing the wheel specifically. Reinventing in this context means taking an existing idea, stripping it down to its bare components, and then finding its key lever points and making it even better, even faster, and easier. The intention is to question the current ways of solving problems and getting things done. Just because it's always been done this way doesn't mean that this way is the best way. For example, the house rental market has been rather straightforward. You rent a house by entering into a contract with a landlord that decides the duration of rent and cost of rent with other terms and conditions. This has been going on for ages. Then you strip down all the components of this practice, which in this case is the landlord, tenant, rental, terms and conditions, contract, and home. You'll have the individual pieces that you then need to piece it together to create a new picture. So there would be questions like, what if the tenant was the landlord? What if rental was shorter and more affordable? What if I didn't need to book expensive hotels during my holiday? What if I could meet new people along the way? Breaking down these components is exactly what gave birth to Airbnb. If you don't know about it, Airbnb is an online marketplace where people can lease and rent short-term accommodations. This covers a wide range of vacation homes, apartments, homestays, hotels, and hostels. Today, Airbnb is valued at $31 billion. Just amazing. There are many more ways that you can use to generate ideas, but don't get caught up with finding the best way. Just pick one and get it done with. Remember that version 1 is always better than version none.